Hey everyone, today I am going to show you how to easily create jump links or anchor links so your visitors can skip right to specific sections of your content. First, log into your HubSpot dashboard and navigate to the piece of content you want to edit. This works exactly the same whether you are editing website pages, landing pages, a blog post, or your knowledge base. Just click the name of your page to open up the editor. Next, click directly inside the rich text module right where you want to drop the anchor. Look up at your rich text toolbar. Click the Insert drop-down menu and select Anchor. A pop-up box will appear asking you to name it. Keep it simple, make sure it starts with a letter and use hyphens if you need to separate multiple words. Hit Insert and you'll see a blue line with a little anchor symbol appear on your page. You can easily click and drag this symbol if you ever need to reposition it. Now that your destination anchor is placed, you need to create the actual clickable link that points to it. Go to the text you want your visitors to click and highlight it. Head back up to the rich text toolbar and click the standard link icon. From there, you just choose the option to link to an anchor and select the exact name you just created. It's a super simple trick that makes navigating long pages so much easier for your readers. If this quick tutorial helped you out today, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more HubSpot design tips, and let me know in the comments what website feature you want me to cover next. Thanks for watching.